Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, find display and enter it. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display in this menu. Let me start with the top of the list, where you can change display mode between light and dark. In dark mode settings, you can schedule the dark mode. Next, you can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Also, you can enable extra brightness for your display. Next, you can change motion smoothness between adaptive and standard. And next, you can enable or disable eye comfort shield and also schedule it and change color temperature. Then you can enable or disable enhanced comfort. Then you can change screen mode between vivid, natural and white balance. In advanced settings you can manually adjust white balance. Then you can change font size, style and enable or disable bold font. Then you can change screen zoom, enable or disable full screen mode for apps, hide notch for apps, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, enable or disable easy mode and adjust it, enable or disable edge panels, which is smart sidebar, select navigation bar between buttons and swipe gestures, and also you can adjust its settings. Next, you can enable or disable accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, show charging information, and in the end you can set screensaver between non-colors, photo table, photo frame and photos. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.